International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of a candidate. My name is Jaskirat Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111109. So shall we start? Okay. So what is your full name?
My name is Manish Kumar.
Okay, where are you from?
I live in a rural area, village Laskot, situated near Rajpura city and comes under Kerala district.
Do you work or study?
Recently I completed my senior secondary education for Punjab board. Now I am looking for my further studies.
Okay. So what were your subjects?
I studied commerce subject in my senior secondary education. There were 6 main subjects: English, Punjabi, accounts with economics and Hindi was also a subject and with these were the main subjects.
Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was Punjabi because as I live in Punjab and it's the national tradition of Punjab to speak Punjabi and it is also my main subject.
Okay. Let's talk about trust. Who do you trust most?
I mostly trust my father because he is a great person and if I have to tell anything, any secret to anyone, he would be the first person.
What kind of people do you trust?
The person who do not reveal anything, any secret with anyone, that kind of person I trust.
Have you ever lost trust in somebody?
Yes, one day I told a truth. I told a secret to my best friend, but I also told him that not to reveal it. But after some time, he revealed it to my other friends. At that time, I lost the trust to him.
Okay. Have you ever made trust again on him?
No, after that, I don't have interaction with him because he had lost my trust at that time.
Are you a trustworthy person?
Yes, definitely. I am a very trustworthy person because if someone tells me any of the secret, I never reveal it to any of the person in any kind of situation.
Okay. Which is the biggest secret you have not shared with someone?
My profession is the secret which I have never revealed with anyone because I think if I get success in that profession, that will be a great thing for me.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. So I am going to give you cue card. You will have 1 minute for the preparation and another 2 minutes for the speaking. Here is your pencil and paper. So your cue card is. Your time starts now. Shall we start?
There are many activities which I want to try in my future in my later time. Here I would like to tell you about the activity which is related to water and try to do in future. It's all about the scuba diving. Last month I was exploring data, and I was the first I find a eye-catching thing in it, and it was about scuba diving. I find quite interesting at that time, and I searched on the Google about it. It was shown that it's a motivated activity which can be done in oceans or seas to explore the ocean and the beauty of that. I also learned that no fresher can do it. A 7-day training is necessary to do it, and I can also it's all about exploring the beauty of the nature, and I am a person who always try different things in my free time, and because it's a very great thing for me to explore the earth, and it will enhance my knowledge about the creatures and which are living in the oceans, because no one is able to not everyone get a chance to explore that beauty at that time. So it will be a quite interesting activity that I would like to do in future.
Okay. Now I will ask you some more follow-up questions. Right. How important is free time for individuals?
Well, it's very necessary, because a person can in this vast era, people are very indulged in working, and sometimes they get free time, and in that time they can usually spend their time with their family, and also which can lead to increase their bond with their loved ones.
Do people learn something about themselves when they go for such layer activities?
Yes, definitely. When a person sit alone in at a leisure time, they usually find things about themselves, and this can help them to know more about their hidden talents, and they can also enhance their knowledge about themselves.
Okay. While doing leisure activities, is it a good idea to take risks?
Yes, it's a human tendency. People get easily tired while doing some activity, and if they are feeling bored, people should take rest at that time, which could help them to work efficiently in a great manner.
What benefits do people have when they travel to new destinations for leisure activities?
It will, as I mentioned before, it will enhance their knowledge about different places. People are very keen to explore the new places so that they could grab knowledge from them, and also this could be beneficial at some cases in future.
Do you think an individual feels demotivated when he does not get enough free time?
Well, yes, in my opinion, people do not get enough free time, and as they get tired at that time, and it also affect their working productivity of their work, and that time they get as their productivity gets low, and this can demotivate them.
Okay, Manish. This is the end of your speaking. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.